In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fail to return in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It doesn't really matter which market or time frame you're looking at for this part, the process will be the same. What we're doing is simply adding a specific indicator to your chart so you can start using it in your analysis. On your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, this is usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add pretty much anything TradingView offers. Once that window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you're going to type the name of the indicator you want. Click into that search box so your cursor is active there. Now carefully type in "failed to return." It's important to spell it correctly, so TradingView can pull up the right result without you having to scroll around through a long list. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see an entry appear that matches the name "failed to return." When you see it show up in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart and you'll see its visuals overlaid on your current price data. From here, you can quickly check that it's working by zooming in a bit and looking for any new markings or signals that weren't there before. If you want to adjust how it looks or tweak the settings, just move your mouse over the indicator name in the chart legend, usually found at the top left or top right of your chart area, and click on the settings icon. This opens a panel where you can change things like colors, line styles, or any specific inputs that the indicator allows. Take a moment to customize it so it fits nicely with the rest of your chart layout and doesn't clutter your view. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, I have an affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also unlocks more indicator slots and features inside TradingView, which is especially helpful if you like running multiple tools like fail to return at the same time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the failed to return indicator in TradingView Pro, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your trading.